Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you this Diehard 55 watt garage door opener incandescent bulb. Now Diehard is a company owned by Sears for like batteries and stuff like that. But sadly, there's barely any Sears stores left. I think there's like 15 or something like that, but they make good bulbs. Like this one here. It's a nice looking bulb. Now we're gonna light it up. It's a 55 watt. It's a weird wattage, but there's the etch. And I think it has a C-shaped filament. Yeah, it has a C-shaped filament. Well, there it is. One last look at it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this Sears 55 watt garage door opener incandescent bulb. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. See you guys later.